Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we have another unboxing for you. I recently signed up for the Steel to Reel Survivor Pro, and so in the next few months we'll have some of those boxes to open. This is our first impression of Steel to Reel. Let's take a look. So the first thing I see in the box is a MyMedic Super Bivy. I have a bunch of these, but basically it is a mylar blanket. It is to help you stay warm. It is a skill level basic, and it is 84 by 36. So I assume it's going to be this bright green inside. I have a couple of other bivy sacks, but it's nice to always grab another one so that I can have one in each of my hiking bags. So I'm going to go ahead and move the box off screen so we can keep the stuff in the front. So we have the mylar blanket. The second thing, and what gave this a lot of the weight, is the Humvee portable shovel, the adventure gear. It's got a blade of 22 by 15.5 centimeters. It's got a folded length of just 24 centimeters. Unfolded, it's 58 centimeters. It's made with a 1050 carbon steel. It is heat treated, so it shall stay nice and straight and true. It's ergonomically designed with this plastic nylon handle. It's got a nail puller at the bottom of the handle. And it's got this saw edge on the side. So let's open it up and take a look. So it comes in this nice little travel case. And just like it said, it folds up real nice and small. Feels nice and heavy constructed. Seems to fold out real nice and simple. So yeah. And then to put it back in the case, it's as simple as pulling it back down, sliding it back in. That is really interesting. I don't currently own one, so that'll be a great addition to my car camping gear. So the next thing I see inside are a couple of ReadyWise meals. The breakfast skillet and the beef noodle. I've had a couple of these. I haven't had these specific meals, but I've had the ReadyWise adventure meals, and I have to say I am highly impressed with the quality and the flavor. So I'm actually really looking forward to trying these the next time I'm headed out into the backwoods. So I got a breakfast and a lunch. And apparently I got a discount for more if I would like, which is always handy. The next thing I have is a Klymit outside hammock. So I've got several hammocks, but can always use another one. Let's move some of this stuff out of the way. So this guy, let's see, it's got a weight capacity of 400 pounds. It's got a dimension of 55 inches wide by 110 inches long, so just over 9 feet. And it weighs 23.6 ounces, so we're looking at about 1.5 pounds. Based on what I'm feeling, it does come with the hookup cords. Yep, straps and carabiners are included. So let's take a look. It is the same color. Handy. And yes, indeed, the straps do come inside. And just notice this is sewed onto the side of the hammock, meaning that this becomes a pocket for you to store your phone or anything else that you don't want falling out of your pockets while you're in your hammock, as well as so you don't lose that bag while you're sitting there relaxing and the wind kicks up. So I will notice that the box came with no card. So the last thing in the box is a fox edge knife. There does not appear to be a card or anything inside, so let's take a look. First impressions. It's made of some really heavy steel. It could probably cut something, but it doesn't feel super sharp. It does come with a nice clip. There's some glue and stuff on the handle, but I can clean that up. It is not assisted, but it does come out of the blade really quickly. So I will definitely give this a further inspection out on the trail and see how it holds up. I like the blade geometry, so as soon as I get it sharpened up, I will take it up on my next trip. There doesn't appear to be any kind of markings to say what kind of fox edge knife this is. So I will have to do some research and find out some more. So first impressions of the Steel the Reel subscription box is that there is definitely a value here. Like I said, got some really great stuff here. So thanks again for joining me for this Steel to Reel unboxing. So until next time, enjoy the outdoors, plan your own adventure, and happy trails.